Hi everyone, this is just a quick unboxing video. My friend Chantel from Raven's Minis kindly sent me a box of surprise goodies and I can't wait to see what's inside. Look at these beautiful stickers. If you are not familiar with her YouTube channel already, I can't recommend it enough. She makes the most incredible miniatures I've ever seen. But her channel definitely isn't just miniatures. Pretty much anything creative you can find on her channel. Her work with clay is amazing. She makes beautiful journals. I'm fairly certain she did the illustrations on these stickers, which I did verify are available to purchase in her shop. This is too much. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my gosh! No, no way. I have been completely and utterly spoiled. Stop. I will absolutely treasure these. I have to start out with the one that just immediately catches my eye. This is giving me fortune teller, belly dancer vibes. I could maybe see this being used in a really beautiful hooded cape. This heart pattern is really unique. This is kind of making me think of Alice in Wonderland. I like the crescent moon shapes too. This one is absolutely stunning. The colorful lace is really fun. Ooh, love the spooky pattern. This is like a corduroy look, but it's really thin, which is perfect for doll scale. I truly appreciate that there is a mix of fabrics and textures and patterns in here. This is really, really soft. I love bats. I actually have quite a large family of bats that live near my house. And if I go out and sit on my back porch in the evenings, I get a cool air show. I am definitely going to get good use out of this for future Viking projects. I love that it's short fur and on both sides. Oh my gosh, how fabulous is this? Beautiful. This would be perfect to use for a Celtic character. There's a gray one as well, and a lighter green. I just want to sit here and pet this. This is like a de-stressing fidget toy. Ooh, this fur trim is going to be great for Viking projects as well. A huge thank you to Chantel for sending me this absolutely amazing box of goodies. I truly can't thank you enough, and it has inspired me to face my arch nemesis sewing so I can put them to good use. I will leave a link down below to Chantel's socials, YouTube, and shop. Be sure to check her out. I have been watching her videos for years, and I am always in awe of what she creates. And also thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I may sprinkle in a little bit more of this casual content, unboxings, reviews, that type of thing. So leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. And until next time, take care.